My dear brother Savage, welcome to yet another opportunity to invest 300 repetitions into our mind and motherfucking machine. I'm working with our 150 pound Savage Sandbag filled to most likely 165, maybe even 170 pounds. This movement is called over the shoulder, and it is a triple extension taking place in your ankle, knee, and hip joints simultaneously in every repetition. I did 100 of those, 100 of these. These are my absolute fucking favorite. Savage slams. Imagine being able to pick up a body of mass, drive it up to your shoulder, and from here, slam it down to the ground and call it fitness. Well, if you haven't tried this one, you will definitely be humbled in every part of your existence. That's why I fucking love it so much. So we're up to 200 repetitions. Last but not least, I saved some pretty fundamental, I hope easy, but at this point I was so fucking spent. These are called bear hug squats, where you basically hold on to the Savage Sandbag and you sit down and you stand back up. Make sure that you have a wide stance. I am here for you, and let's fucking go!